In health news now, a new report showing an alarming trend out there in obesity across the U.S., and we want to talk about why this is happening. It's in Tampa Bay's Jenny Dean joining us now to explain the study and, of course, where Florida ranks. Good morning, Jen.
Good morning, Frank. You know, this report is put together each year by the Trust for America's Health. They've been tracking obesity rates across the country for 20 years now. They say back in 2012, no state had an adult obesity rate at or above 35%, but in 2022, 22 states have it. While Florida is not one of them, it is not far behind. 31% of adults in our state and 16% of kids are obese. And here's where it gets interesting. The study looked at what's causing the dramatic increase, and it's more than just genetics and processed foods.
If you don't have access to healthy and nutritious foods that are affordable, if your community doesn't have kind of the full service grocery stores that provide those types of foods, or if you don't live in communities where physical activity is actually easy and safe.
And you know, the reason this is a national public health issue is because of all the problems obesity is associated with: heart disease, diabetes, and stroke, and even some cancers. Access to affordable health insurance is also a factor, and public health costs are rising. So this could make the problem even worse. But health leaders say there are ways that we can reverse this trend. And coming up in our next half hour, we're going to talk about ways that you can help take action to make your community a healthier place to live. Live in the studio, Jenny Dean. Back to you, Caitlin.